Hi, I'm Emmanuel Corels, and welcome to VPN Business in a Box, a course that's designed to take you from an idea to a fully functioning VPN business in no time. If you've ever thought about running your own VPN service but were unsure where to start, you are in the right place. I'm here to show you just how easy and profitable it can be. In today's world, privacy and security are more important than ever. People everywhere are concerned about their personal data being exposed, whether it's hackers, data hungry corporations, or even government surveillance. And that's where VPNs come in. Virtual private networks offer a way for users to browse the internet safely and anonymously, bypass geo restrictions, and protect their personal information from prying eyes. With more users realizing the benefits of VPNs every day, the demand is skyrocketing. This is where your opportunity comes in. Running a VPN business is not just about helping people protect their privacy, it's also about tapping into a growing market. People are willing to pay for secure connections, unrestricted browsing, and peace of mind. And with this course, you can offer them exactly that. So, why start a VPN business? Well, first off, it's incredibly lucrative. With low operating costs and the ability to serve thousands of users globally, your VPN service can generate significant recurring income. Plus, setting up is easier than you think. In this course, I'll walk you through setting up your own VPN servers on any Linux VPS, ensuring they are secure, fast, and ready for users. Even if you're a beginner, my step by step tutorials make it easy to get started right away. And that's not all. I'm also giving you the source code for a fully functional, ready to publish, customizable Android VPN app. You can easily brand it with your own logo, publish it on Google Play, and provide your users with a seamless, secure experience. Your app will allow users to connect to thousands of premium servers that we provide over the API instantly and without any hassle. And you can also bring in your own servers. And if you kind of need some help with any of the steps provided, down to actually publishing your app live on the Play Store, I can provide you with a reskin and publish service. You do not need to invest on any website hosting or additional panel if you do not need it for other branding reasons, as the panel provides everything you need to get started and is actively being improved. You can even suggest new features for implementation. We're actively developing it for your security and convenience. And for those of you who want to go beyond Android, this is where our API access helps you some more. Not only can you start with thousands of pre-configured VPN servers, you can also add your own custom servers with ease. This gives you the flexibility to offer a unique experience to your users no matter where they are. Whether you're developing for iOS, Windows, or other platform, our API is built to handle it all. This isn't just a hobby project, it's a scalable business model. You can start with the thousands of premium servers we provide, and as your business grows, you can add more of your own. You will have access to a robust API and web panel that allows you to manage your VPN users, control servers, integrate with ad networks, and even handle payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe, all from one place. Whether you have 10 users or 10,000 plus users, our infrastructure can support it. And here's where things get really exciting. You can monetize your VPN business in multiple ways. First, through subscription plans where users pay for premium VPN access. But that's not all. You can also generate passive income through integrated ad networks like Google AdMob. Imagine earning money every time your users connect to the internet and they view ads. With this course, I'll show you exactly how to set it all up so your app becomes a revenue generating machine. Now, for the developers out there, this course offers even more. I provide full API documentation so you can take complete control over how your VPN service operates. Whether it's managing users, customizing server settings, handling payment gateways, or integrating ad networks, you have everything you need to scale your VPN business across multiple platforms. Let's face it, people need VPNs now more than ever, whether they're traveling, working remotely, or just looking to secure their online data. VPNs provide the protection and freedom they crave. With this course, you'll be able to offer a trusted service that users will rely on every day. And the best part is, you can start immediately. using the thousands of premium servers we provide, giving you a head start in the market. So whether you're a developer looking for a new revenue stream, an entrepreneur ready to scale, or someone passionate about online privacy for your personal use, this course gives you all the tools to succeed. By the end, you'll have a fully functional VPN business, complete with a published app, API access, monetization options, and everything you need to run and grow your VPN service. Welcome as we build your VPN empire together.